Monika, Principal KB Jalalabad, and today we conducted a Roots to Roots workshop by Mrs. Arshdeep Kaur Bhatti, Maninder Singh. Today the workshop was very inspiring for our students, and students were so excited that they participated with full zeal. And I'm so happy that few of the students came up on the stage and performed with the expert and the talent which Madam showed to them. That talent was great, and our students have learned a lot today, and they are so happy that they are good and they are performing this art. They want to perform this art in their next online classes also. They want to be connected with this art. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Singh, Principal Kendriya Vidyalaya No.1 Ferozepur Cantt. Today we witnessed a program by Root to Root, which was on Kathak, and performance was by Ms. Arshdeep Kaur, and on Tabla we have witnessed Sardar Maninder Singh. This program was a wonderful program and an opportunity for our children to learn a lot. I am thankful to Root to Root for conduct of such workshop in the Vidyalaya. Our children certainly were benefited a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Root to Root.